Hi friends, today we'll learn how to split the company data in Tally ERP9. We'll see already I have created Wisdom Media company. So here if we want to modify anything in company information, here company info, the right side option is there, F3, company info, alter and select company, and here I have created Wisdom Media and financially start from 1/4/2014 and books begin from 1/4/2014. Now I want to split company code data for 1/4/2014 to 31st March 2015 separate company code, and from 1/4/2015 to 31st March 2016. Okay, I want to split company code data year wise. So come back here, you will get option split company code data. This is the gateway of Tally screen. From here click on right side is there option, click on F3 company info, and here we will get option split company data and select company. See, I have selected, I want to split this. See here automatically it is showing 1/4/2000 split from 1/4/2015 to 31st March 2016. The first company is here 1st April to 31st March 2015 separate company, and second one is April to 2015. So I want to split year wise. So select. If you want to change here, if you have created already your company code, last 5 years back, then you can select here from which year onwards you have to split. Say 1/4/2015, 1/4/2014. So like that. So accept and yes, split. Now it is splitting. See here, this is the main. Wisdom Media is the main. See here 1/4 from 1/4 April 2014 to March 15 and 15 to this one. Okay, come back here, right side F1 select company. If you see here Wisdom Media April to March 15 and 2015 to 31st March 2016. Okay, these two just we have splitted. Like that we have to split. Generally what companies will follow, so all the transactions they will post continuously for all years. They will use same ledgers. So at the time of finalization of books, it is very difficult to finalize the books. So to track the books, in that case what companies will generally do, they will split the data what they want to finalize the particular year. So like that. See here 1/4/2014 onwards, still I am using the same company code. So at the time of filing, after completion of financial year, I want to file income tax returns. At that time it is very difficult to, every time we have to select the period. So select the period and again we have to change the period from 1/4/2016 to 1/4 March 2017. Like that every time we want to change the period. Even reports or trial balance sheet or profit and loss account. So if you don't want to do like that, so at the time of filing generally we'll split the company data. Okay, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.